Students are learning every day, but are they learning to speak? English is taught as a subject, not a skill. No stage time. No practice. No confidence. Quest transforms classrooms into real speaking zones. With daily activities, expert trainers, and a bold curriculum, students start speaking, growing, and leading. Thousands have already found their voice. Fluency, confidence, personality, all in one program. Let's empower students with the confidence they deserve. Collaborate with Quest.